Welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be giving you guys a very detailed customization video on how I customized this wig specifically. And some of the things I did on here is how I customize my wigs in general, but I did something a little different with this wig today. This is the wig I will be working with. It's a 24-inch deep wave wig, I believe. Okay, and the company I will be working with, as you guys seen before, is SHOWBEAUTY. So I'm going to show you guys what I did. The knots were really small on this closure, which is always a good sign. So I'm going to be watercoloring the hair. I learned from this mistake that you want to watercolor the hair before you bleach the knots, because last time I bleached the knots and then tried to watercolor the hair jet black, and then the knots just went right back to jet black, even though I put got to be spray on it. So you might as well just get the coloring out the way. Another mistake I learned from when it comes to the watercolor method is you don't want to use too much water. You don't even have to use that much water. So I'm just testing out the color right here. It looked good, so I'm just dipping the hair in, and I dipped it a couple times. I did spray some got to be spray on the lace so it doesn't stain the lace. I just didn't show you guys it on hair. Also, wear gloves, because I didn't wear gloves and my fingernails were black as hell. So right after I was done coloring the hair, I actually didn't condition or shampoo the hair. I just let it air dry because I'm going to bleach the knots and then shampoo and condition the hair. I knew I was going to have to wash the hair again, so I just waited until this process. So right here I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Quick Blue Bleach and my 30 volume developer. That's the only thing I use. I usually use 40 volume developer, but 30 just process is a little slower and it just works a little better for me because I be running around doing a bunch of stuff. So 30 works perfect for me. Yeah, so I'm just going in, pasting that on there. You do not want your mixture to be too liquid, but you don't want it to be too like hard and mushy and stuff. So I left that on for about 30 minutes, really 40 minutes. You just want to make sure you're looking at the knots and it's bleaching good. Okay, I'm getting a little tongue twisted, but whatever. Then I'm going in with my Shimmer Light shampoo. I usually used to leave this on here for like 20 minutes, 10 minutes, but I'm just washing it out. Like, as you guys can see right here, washing it out. It's gonna do the job, so I don't even need to leave it on there for all that time. Then I'm going in with some shampoo and conditioner. You guys can use any shampoo and conditioner. I'm not using anything specific, but I did, however, leave my conditioner on there for about 20-30 minutes, and then I came back and rinsed it out. Y'all, leaving the conditioner on there for about 20-30 minutes really helped. Like, the hair was super soft, so that's something I'm going to start doing also. But after that, I let the hair air dry, and then I'm going into plucking. You guys see these holes I'm sticking my fingers into? Pause. It's because the hot comb was really hot and I almost burnt off the whole damn lace. So make sure you guys be careful with your hot combs and plucking and stuff like that, because it could get a little dangerous, okay? And you do not want to mess up the lace, okay? right here I'm showing you guys how I'm tweezing. This is also something that I learned from and I'm doing new. I'm not tweezing with the slanted side because it tends to pull out more hair. I'm tweezing with like the pointy side, if that makes sense. I'm trying to explain it to where you guys can understand what I'm saying, but like if not, I don't know what else to say. So yeah, so right here I'm just plucking. I'm not plucking too much, I'm just plucking, you know, just a little something. And yeah. So I'm going to be combing back all the hair that I had pulled out from the beginning when I started plucking. Then I'm going in with my wax stick, putting that to the front of the closure. And I'm going to be using my hot comb and pushing that hair back. Now, I usually use water with a tweezer and a comb when I'm plucking. But I was watching this video and the girl was using a hot comb instead of the water. And honestly, I feel like it works way better because you can actually see what you're doing. And it's going to show you for sure how the wig is going to look on your head. Like exactly how it's gonna look when you put it on your head. So I recommend that. Also, you don't have to wait until the lace and the hair gets dried. It's automatically dried and you can just pop that bad boy on and go about your day. Now that we're done all that, this is how the hair looks. Very much full. I'm gonna be spraying some little shine spray on it, feel me? Make sure you get that goodness locked in. And honestly, I always tell you guys this in most of my installs. First of all, before we get into that, this is my favorite flat iron. Like, it really gets the job done. But anyway, I personally like to style my wigs off my head, just because I feel like it's way easier and quicker, especially quicker. Like, it's very time, what's the word? I don't know. I can't even think about the word. It's really early in the morning while I'm doing this voiceover, y'all. Excuse me. It's 6 a.m. So excuse me if I can't come up with these words. But I personally like to style my wigs before I put them on my head. It's just easier in my opinion. And yeah, so I'm going in and I'm straightening the hair. This flat iron is just amazing. And with the deep condition on the wig, with the spray, with the shine spray and the flat iron, like, it just makes this wig came out so good. So I'm gonna just let y'all enjoy me flat ironing this hair and I'm gonna be back. The hair is very much giving silk press, giving very much healthy. One thing that I really loved, look at the ends, y'all. The ends are not frizzy or nothing. Y'all know these wigs, the ends be frizzy. Like, I didn't even cut anything or nothing. Like, the ends are giving. But anyway, now we're working on the closure. As you guys seen, actually, I did part out like a piece, and I'm gonna be flat ironing that to the back just to cover those tracks. You know, we gotta cover those tracks, ladies. We don't want them showing. So then I'm going section by section. I told you guys why I do this in a previous video, but I do this just because I want to make sure the wig is flat as possible. So I'm going to do section by section, put my wax stick, you know, press the wax stick in there, you feel me, use my comb just to go over it, and then go over that with the hot comb, if that made any sense to you guys. So yeah, wax stick, comb, hot comb, laid. That's what we doing. Also, another thing that I usually do is when I'm styling a closure wig, I tend to pull out whatever baby hairs I'm gonna be laying. I don't do that on frontals because I just feel like no. But when it comes to closures, it's only so much you can really do when it comes to baby hairs, edges, whatever you want to call them. So I tend to take it out already, which in this case, it didn't even make sense because I had to redo them anyway. And my part wasn't even in the middle of my head once I put the wig on. But yeah. Now we just tweezing that bad boy in the middle, making sure all the hairs are good and it's nothing looking crazy. Then I'm actually going in with a Sharpie and I'm going to be cleaning up all that extra brown that you guys see. That I know you guys see all that extraness right there. I usually would use like, I seen like this root touch-up that you guys can buy, like a root touch-up pen. You can use that. You can use hair color. Like I could have went in with my the same jet black color I had, and I could have fixed that, but I'm just using a Sharpie. It works the same. I've used it for a while now, so yeah, it works perfectly fine. Okay, period. So this is how the wig looked after I was done with it, and then I put it on myself so you guys can have a visual of how it would look on me. If you guys are interested in seeing me install this wig, make sure you guys stay tuned for the second video. It will be coming very, very, very soon. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all my social media platforms. Comment down below any other videos you guys want from me and any other hairstyles you guys would like me to recreate. Check out the wig and the company in the description box down below. And until next time.
Roll this dirty, won't fall with no pill. Young nigga come from the hill. Won't show emotions, but feelings be real. I say, baby, yo, what's the deal? Phone in my pocket right next to the scale.